So today I decided to head out to the north end of Three Lakes, which is located off of 441 in Holopaw. Here I'm coming through the front gate. All of my audio was messed up on this, so I'm going to have to do the whole thing in a voiceover, so I apologize for that. But yeah, that was the front gate. Heading in, crossing the cattle guard here. This end of Three Lakes, like I said, is off of 441. You cannot access it. Well, you can, but the gate is usually closed. The only access really is off the north end, off of 441 in Holopaw, just south of 192 in St. Cloud. You can see there's a couple other people out here today. A few people out, I think, getting ready for the upcoming hunting season. Or either that, or they're out here small game hunting, or just playing around like I am. So I got into a little sugar sand here. This is a little softer than what I was expecting, and yeah, I'm getting a little loose here. Things are starting to get a little hairy. Oh boy, oh god. Hang on, we're going for a ride. I made it through all this without any issue, but yeah, these Scorcher tires, they don't handle the sugar sand very well. So somewhere down the line, we're going to have to invest in some better off-road tires, or at least a 50-50 tire. These tires are the Scorchers that come with the Harley Davidson Pan America, and well, they're a little sketchy at best when it comes to the soft stuff. Oh god, oh boy, oh geez, here we go. Okay, take a breath. Yeah, that was a little fun. By fun, I mean a little scary. Okay, so here we go through it again. Hang on, we're getting a little loose. That one wasn't so bad there. I think up here you can see where I left a track in the ground. Yeah, we're all over the place here. These tires leave a lot to be desired, that's for sure. They handle great on the street, but yeah, I had to take a breath here and kind of walk myself back out of this. I'm dragging my feet right about now. If I got out of that loose stuff and back out onto the main road, onto the gravel road, it makes life a little bit easier for me. So I'm coming up to the turnpike here. This is the Florida Turnpike. It runs north and south between 441 and Canoe Creek Road through here. It kind of separates all of this land from east and west. We'll run parallel with it here for a little bit, and then we will take a right-hand turn and head underneath it. This is coming up to the Florida Turnpike. There's a tunnel up here that we're going to go under. It goes under the Florida Turnpike and then out the other side towards Canoe Creek Road. This little gravel crossing here is usually underwater, which is why the gravel is there. That will hold all the soft stuff in from washing away. Cows! We got cows! Cows everywhere! Ooh. More cows! And some dude in a Jeep. Or a Bronco. This is Canoe Creek Road. This gate is usually shut and locked, so you can't access it from this point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.